my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make beans and plantain porridge. So the main recipe in this video is my beans. I'm going to pick my beans and remove the stones and dates that are in the beans before I proceed with my cooking. Picking my beans, I'll transfer into a neat pot. There are two methods on which you can make your beans soft. You can soak these beans for 2 hours to 3 hours. When you cook it, it will get done faster. You can also throw in a spoon or a neat nail, anything iron, but make sure it is clean in the pot. It won't take time. Your beans would be soft. So I'm introducing my recipe. I have my palm oil, my pepper, my salt, my crayfish, my cat's dried fish. I will leave the recipe at the comment section below. So I'm going to, remember we are making beans and plantain, so I'm going to wash the back of my plantains thoroughly to avoid dirty and germs from entering into our food. And after washing it, I'm going to slice it into little pieces in the blue bowl here with me. So I'm going to cut it. Remember, my beans is already on the fire. I've already light up the gas for the beans to be boiling while I arrange the things I will use for cooking the beans. So you can watch me. You can cut your plantain at any pieces of your choice, any shape of your choice. You can cut your plantain, but this is how I like cutting mine. After that, I'm going to, don't forget, I don't cook with catfish head, the dried catfish head. So I'm going to remove the head, and what I need is the flesh. I'm going to remove the head and the bones and throw them away. I'm only using the flesh of my dried catfish. Oh my god, catfish is very sweet in porridge, beans, and name them. So after that, my beans is ready. After 15 minutes, my beans is soft. So I'm going to wash my beans thoroughly. Wash it up to 3 times. Depend on when the dates come out from the beans. You know, they do use chemical in preserving beans. So I'm going to wash my beans. After washing my beans, I will wash my pot. Sorry for the break, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I love you. Let's go back to the video. So my beans and my pots are thoroughly washed. I'm going to transfer the beans into the clean pot and add my onion and my dried smoked fish, and I'm going to cover the pot. Don't forget, you can also add your crayfish at this time. So I'm going to close the pot for it to boil so that I'll be able to put other things. So for those of us that are doubting that my beans is soft, look at it. Let me show you. This is my soft beans. It came out soft, nothing like strong in the beans. So the method works a lot. So I'm going to, after 5 minutes, when the beans has boiled, I'm going to add my plantain and my ingredients, my maggi, my pepper, and my salt. I'm only using these 3 ingredients because this beans is going to be natural and very sweet. So I'm going to test for salt and other ingredients. I noticed that my salt and my maggi, there's not much salt and seasoning cubes, so that's why I had to put half seasoning cube and a pinch of salt. And I'm going to cover my pot and allow it to boil. I don't know how you like your beans, but I like my beans a little watery. So after 5 minutes again, I'm going to add my red oil and my palm oil. Of course, I'm going to add it and cover. This oil is the oil I used with my white yam. The palm oil I used for my white yam. The remaining of the oil is what I'm using for this recipe because we can't throw it away. And the oil is sweet, guys. So after 2 minutes to 3 minutes, I'm going to stir. Don't use spoon. When you use spoon, your beans will start burning in time. That's the secret some people do not know. The reason why we do use woody stuff like the tonigari, so that the down of the food will not get burnt. So my tonigari has done its own work. That is why I transferred to a spoon to clear it down. So my beans is ready. Look, beans is delicious and sumptuous, anything you can call it. So guys, try this recipe at home and you won't regret it.